Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of October 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.82. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.68%. This equates to an average return of 0.34% per day since it has been designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and gentle upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a projected potential change of approximately 4.47% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decrease of 5.29% to an increase of 8.84%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of around 28.32% over the following year, with returns expected to fall between 17.87% and 37.89%. In dollar terms, this could mean a price range between $586.38 to $686. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for QQQ ETF Price After Monday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, the QQQ ETF price rose by 0.84%, moving from $493.36 to $497.50. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.721%, with a low of $495.26 and a high of $498.83. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.93% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 6 million more shares were traded than the previous day, leading to a total of 25 million shares bought and sold for approximately $12.67 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 1.20% or $6.02 below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust has been generating considerable attention as the earnings season approaches, with many analysts expressing concern over its current valuation. QQQ is reportedly trading at a price-to-earning ratio exceeding 40, a figure reminiscent of a bubble. This heightened valuation is primarily driven by a few dominant stocks like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, which alone make up around 25% of the Nasdaq 100. This concentration raises significant bubble risk. As the momentum fades from the artificial intelligence hype, the potential for disappointing earnings reports could lead to a sharp correction in the stock's price, impacting investors in both the short and long term. Interestingly, there's a view that diversification within QQQ could be a key driver of future gains. The fund allocates more than half of its weight to the technology sector, suggesting that other sectors might step up to support performance. As financial markets adjust, strategies focusing on risk management, such as adding QQQ insurance, may become increasingly relevant. Investors should monitor upcoming earnings closely, as outcomes here could substantially influence market sentiment and the fund's price trajectory in the near future. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During corrections downward, support is expected at $490.76 and $477.58. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and since then it has increased by 14.43%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have emerged that may affect near-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Here are some intriguing signals you might find valuable. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots revealed a buy signal 48 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 22 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 225 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're interested in discovering more signals. Let's explore the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ has support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is broken, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Overall, this ETF tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $3.57 between its high and low, representing a change of 0.721%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.01%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate either a subdued outlook for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $478.99, which reflects a decrease of 3.72%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, translating to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom discovered 47 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? The QQQ ETF presents multiple positive signals and is currently within a weak rising trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we view it as a sound investment at these levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has shifted from a buy to a strong buy recommendation for this ETF since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by approximately 30 cents, starting at $497.20. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us when making your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.